The Maruti Suzuki Eco includes basic safety features such as dual rubgus, ABS with bud, seatbelt reminders, and child safety locks. The Maruti Suzuki Eco case equipped with safety features such as ABS with bud, high mount stop lamp, and driver and CO driver seat belt reminder. The car manufacturer has bestowed this Maruti Eco 5-seater AC variant with a lot of standard features that gives its occupants a comfortable driving experience. This variant is blessed with an efficient air conditioning system, which keeps the cabin air regulated and is also equipped with a heater surveil. Seating capacity, it is available in both 5 and 7-seater configurations. Engine and transmission, the Eco is powered by a 1.2 Yojak Chinhe LITRE petrol engine, 81 PS, 104.4 Nm with a 5-speed manual transmission. The Sung variant uses the Shame engine booth with reduced output of 72 PS and 95 Nm. The Eco is also great for daily commutes or long drives. The mileage is consistent, so don't have to worry about running out of fuel during my journey. Maruti Suzuki India has announced a recall of 87,599 units of the entry-level hatchback Espresso and popular van Eco over a possible defect in a part of the steering tie rod. The recalled vehicles were manufactured between July 5, 2021 and February 15, 2025. The Maruti Suzuki Eco Cargo offers in 1197 kg. Its payload capacity is 920 kg, Gava 1540 kg and wheelbase is 2350 mm. Yes, the Maruti Suzuki Eco has power steering that makes the seat to maneuver the car in tight spaces. The Eco mileage is 19.71 km. The manual petrol variant has mileage of 19.71 km. The manual Sung variant has mileage of 26.78 kg. Does it have rubbugs? Maruti Eco case with Maya safety features or have 2 rubbugs. Ever since it was launched in 2010, the Eco has been one of the highest selling cars in India. It has, however, now been discontinued. Majority of SUVs are 6 to 7 feet tall. Badi Eco can be considered as a small SUV or na SUV for middle-class Indians. The Maruti Eco is available both as a 5-seater and a 7-seater, but only the 5-seater variant gets air conditioning. ABH Payyan has converted a 5-seater Eco with AC to a 7-seater Eco with AC. The rear seats of the Eco, both 2 and or 3 are draw, के in 2 parts, the setup se and the setback. Cons, as usual cheap interiors, which is obvious for this low mid-class car. Headrest is required for the middle and last seat considering the safety aspect. But these can be customized with nominal. Our cost. Non-reclining seat for your passenger seat is a big disappointment. What is the top speed of Eco? What is the top speed of the Maruti Suzuki Eco? The Maruti Suzuki Eco can reach top speed of 140-146 km. Eco is one of the best vans as well as best car in comparison of other vehicles, has a good boot space. In fact, the Eco is converted into ambulance, rescue vehicle, battery chargers, food trucks, and camper ones because of their best pickup and torque. It is remake version of an and only Ladmani, Omni van, which is. The Eco was crash tested by Global NCAP in 2016, and the Eco received 0 stars for adult occupant protection. It performed slightly better in terms of child occupant safety, receiving 2 stars. The Eco is freight in 4 variants, namely 5-seater 1, 5-seater 1 Sung, 5-seater STD, 7-seater STD. So each silencer contains dust from very valuable metals like platinum, palladium and rhodium. These metals act as a catalyst in the oxidation and reduction of the toxic gases that takes place in the catalytic converter. What is tank capacity of Eco? The Maruti Suzuki Eco has fuel tank capacity of 32 liters. The Eco, a tall and versatile van, in 5 and 7-seater variants, combines CNG efficiency with sliding doors for easy access. Its peppy petrol engine ensures smooth driving. Its upright design enhances visibility. The top speed of Maruti Suzuki Eco is 146 km prati ghanta. Maruti Suzuki Eco is available in 2 fuel variant, S, CNG and petrol. CNG version price at 6.58 lakh rupees. And petrol version ranges from 5.32 lakh rupees to 5.68 lakh rupees. Suspension, steering and brakes. The Maruti Suzuki Eco comes with a front McPherson strut suspension, providing stability and comfort for passengers. It features disc brakes that front and drum brakes that rear for reliable stopping power. Maruti Suzuki Eco, good for long distance travel. This minivan is great for traveling long distances with family. Its spacious interiors and smooth driving experience offer a comfortable ride. Luggage space इसमें प्लेटू स्पेशल एयर इन थे 5 सीटर वेरिएंट्स. इस powered by 1.2 लीटर पेट्रोल इंजन प्रोड्यूसिंग 80.96 hp and 104.4 mph of torque, coupled with a 5-speed manual transmission. The Sung variant. This engine produces 70.6 bhp and 95 mph of torque. The Maruti Suzuki Eco has recently been discontinued. It was one of the consistently top-selling cars every month. The Eco was introduced as an up-to-date version of the National Kidnapping Vehicle of India, The Money. Today, late, so take a look back the Eco. Maruti Eco 7-seater STD engine and transmission. It is powered by 1197 cuck engine which is available with manual transmission. The 1197 cuck engine puts out 79.65 bhp at 6000 rpm of power and 104.4 Nm at 3000 rpm of torque.